Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my friends and viewers. Today I'm going to present about our final year project 1, which our project name is Arduino Atmega 2560 based automated t-shirt folding and sorting machine. So first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Alif Aiman bin Abdullah and this is my partner.
My name is Muhammad Aiman Hafiz bin Syamsu Arifin.
So we are from Robotic and Automation Department.
For our project background, washing machine have been invented to wash clothes even faster and cleaner. After we clean it, we have to dry the clothes to keep it clean. And after we dry it, we have to fold the clothes. And to fold the clothes, such as t-shirt, requires skills and concentration. Due to humans' hands error, some folded clothes are untidy. It may be better by replacing the manual folding with an automated t-shirt folding and sorting machine.
Problem statements. Firstly, people very busy nowadays and having a tight schedule. After working days, some people very busy to fold their shirt and have another things to do. And secondly, it requires some efforts to fold and sorting all the t-shirt in the same size. And thirdly, the fold of the t-shirt will be messy if folded manually by hand. Finally, people will waste their money by sending it to the shop just to fold their t-shirt instead of fold by themselves.
The objective of the project. To begin with, there are several objectives that we need to do to completing our project 1. In the beginning of our project, we have to design a schematic circuit for the project using Proteus software. Proteus is used to build and run the simulation of the circuit that has been built. For the next objective of our project is to use SolidWorks software to design our 3D model of our project. SolidWorks software is used to design project in order to complete it. It is important to make a planning and design beforehand to avoid error and miscalculate for the size of our project. For the next objective of our project is to use DC motor for our movement of our project. DC motor is a rotary electrical machine that converts direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy.
For the first scope of the project is this project can only fold and sorting t-shirt. And the second scope of the project is this project is able to fold and sorting one t-shirt at a time.
Contribution. For the first project contribution is it will solve the problem of folding and sorting t-shirts in daily life. It helps people such as housewife, student, worker or other people to fold their t-shirt and sorting it without bothering their daily life. For the second project contribution is effort used for folding t-shirt can be reduced, especially housewife. They must require a lot of energy to carry for their family and manage their family's home. For the third project contribution is the fold of the t-shirt will be nice and neat. People will have a clean and easy life. For the last project contribution is people do not need to waste their money just to fold their t-shirt. People can saving their money for other things.
For the project comparison, our first project is semi-auto clothes folding machine using Arduino Uno. This project was using Arduino Uno as the microcontroller and also using servo motor for make the movement of this project. Okay, and another project is Arduino powered shirt folding machine. This project using Arduino Uno and the Arduino robot as the microcontroller and to make the functional of this project. For the advantage of the project semi-auto clothes folding machine using Arduino Uno, firstly, this project is less control and easy to use. And another advantage of this project is has a better accuracy. And to the disadvantage of this project. This project lack of speed to fold a close, and secondly, this project is take a long time to respond, and finally, this close cannot be fold perfectly. Project which is Arduino powered shield folding machine. The first advantage of this project is it is easy to control. The secondly, this project is using component in small quantities. Okay, so this advantage of this project is, firstly, it is still using and need manpower to sort out ready clothes. Secondly, robotic Arduino requires high cost and too expensive.
Component used in our project is Arduino Atmega 2560. We use Arduino Atmega 2560 as our microcontroller. Arduino Atmega 2560 will process the program that has been programmed to the project to produce the desired function. In Arduino Atmega 250 have 54 inputs and digital outputs, while analog has 16 pins. The second component use of our project is we use DC motor. DC motor is component which convert direct current electrical energy into mechanical energy. We use DC motor as movement mechanism of our project. DC motor can be found in electrical vehicle, elevator and rolling mills. The third component use of our project is L298N motor driver. We use this motor driver to control our DC motor. This component can control motor speed and direction of the DC motor. The fourth component used for our project is infrared sensor. Infrared sensor is a component that can detect an obstacle in front of it. We use this component as our input. It will detect the t-shirt on the top of the platform of the project, and it will start the folding and sorting process.
Software we are using. The first one is we are using Arduino software. So we are using Arduino software to make a coding program and compile the coding to our project. So the second one is we are using SolidWorks 2014. The function of the SolidWorks is we are using to make the design of the project and make it 3D. And thirdly, we are using the Proteus 8 Professional to design the circuit and make a simulation of the project.
For our block diagram, we use infrared sensor as our input. Infrared sensor will detect the t-shirt and give signal to our microcontroller. We use Atmega 2560 as our microcontroller. Atmega 2560 will send a signal to our output. The first output is L298N motor driver. This component will send a signal to another output, which is DC motor. The DC motor will start its process, which is folding and sorting the t-shirt. Chart. From the start, we will put a t-shirt on the machine. Our sensor will detect it and it will start from 2-second delay, and then the folding and sorting t-shirt started. After that, it will back to its original position, and then it will loop again if the RF sensor detect the t-shirt again.
The project costing. The first item we are going to buy is Arduino Atmega 2560, which is only one quantity and unit per price only Rm47 ringgit 30 cent. And the second item we are going to buy is 12 volt DC motor. We are going to buy for 4 quantity and just Rm20 per price. And the third component we are going to buy is L298N motor driver. We are going to buy in 4 quantity, 1 quantity per price only Rm9 ringgit 83 cents, And the fourth item we are going to buy is infrared sensor. Infrared sensor only RM8.90 per price. The last item we are going to buy is acrylic sheets, which is RM50 only per quantity. Okay, so the subtotal cost for our project is RM225.52. Our schematic diagram. Firstly, we create a circuit for this project using Proteus 8 Professional. Okay, secondly, we connect power and ground to the Arduino. And thirdly, we connect DC motor with L298N motor driver. And then we connect L298N1 connect to Arduino pin 22, 23 and 24, while L298N motor driver 2 we connect to Arduino pin 25, 26 and 27. And finally, infrared sensor connect to Arduino pin 13 for the project input.
Design of our project, we use SolidWorks software to create 3D dimension of our project. This project have the length of 900 mm, and then the width of our project is 600 mm, and then the height of our project is 827 mm. We create part by part and then we combine it all. That's all from us. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you like and subscribe our video.